Meet Miss Rouge, a satisfying business person. It is essential for her to stay connected with her clients for different business needs. But, last week, her son poured a glass of water on her smartphone. And from that moment, she could not switch on her phone. So, she was tense about it and got puzzled about her responsibility. In the meantime, her husband told her about iTech Express, the best repairing expert. So, she checked their website by scrolling at itechexpressinc.com and cleared her concept on their service. And finally, she went there and got an effective service for her smartphone. Most importantly, she was able to retrieve all the essential information with the expert's help. Isn't this story interesting? Anyone can get this service shortly by making a call at 626-777-4747. So hurry. You are not an exception.